What if you had a crystal ball that could scan thousands of stocks, analyze trends, and hand you a list of the next big winners? Imagine a tool that cuts through the noise and hype to pinpoint companies with real potential for massive growth. That's exactly what we asked ChatGPT to do. We gave it strict criteria and let it loose on the entire stock market. Today, we're revealing 10 explosive stocks ChatGPT says could skyrocket in the coming years. If you're serious about building wealth and making smarter investment decisions, hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every week. A quick disclaimer, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research or consult with an investment professional before making any investment decisions. The next Nvidia, Amazon, or Tesla might be on this list. Why use ChatGPT for stock picks? Because AI doesn't sleep, doesn't get emotional, and can process years of financial data in seconds. We asked it to find companies with strong growth, disruptive models, big markets, and durable competitive advantages. The result? A fascinating list at the forefront of major shifts. Let's get into the picks. First up is Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR, the masters of data analytics. Palantir's AI-driven platforms, Gotham and Foundry, are mission-critical for governments and corporations, making sense of massive data sets. Gotham is a backbone for defense and intelligence, while Foundry is transforming industries like healthcare and finance. Once integrated, Palantir's software is nearly impossible to replace, creating sticky customers. The company is shifting from unpredictable government contracts to rapid commercial growth, a key catalyst. Their new artificial intelligence platform lets clients deploy AI securely on private data, positioning Palantir at the center of the corporate AI revolution. With deep government ties, expanding commercial reach, and a cutting-edge AI platform, Palantir is just getting started. ChatGPT sees Palantir as a foundational player in the exploding AI industry, the verdict early innings of massive long-term growth. That's why it's on this list. Let's move to the next pick. Next is CrowdStrike, ticker CRWD, a leader in cybersecurity. CrowdStrike's Falcon platform uses AI to protect millions of devices, learning from every new threat and instantly updating all customers. This creates a powerful network effect and a huge competitive edge. Their land and expand model means customers keep adding more services, driving high retention and revenue growth. As businesses move to the cloud and remote work expands, the need for robust cybersecurity is only growing. CrowdStrike's cloud-native AI-driven approach outpaces legacy solutions. The total addressable market is massive. Every company needs protection. ChatGPT sees secular tailwinds and a proven ability to scale. As cyber threats evolve, CrowdStrike is perfectly positioned to lead the AI's verdict, a top contender for explosive gains. Let's see what's next. Shifting gears, ChatGPT's next pick is Celsius Holdings, ticker CLH, a disruptor in the energy drink market. Celsius brands itself as a healthier, functional energy drink, targeting fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious consumers. Their unique positioning has unlocked a much larger market than traditional energy drinks. Revenue growth has been astronomical, fueled by rapid retail expansion and a key distribution deal with PepsiCo. Celsius's passionate customer base drives powerful word-of-mouth marketing. In the age of social media, this loyalty is a huge asset. The AI sees a disruptive brand riding the health and wellness wave, stealing market share from industry giants. Explosive growth, expanding distribution, and a loyal following make Celsius a standout. ChatGPT believes this growth story is just beginning. Let's move on to digital advertising. The Trade Desk, ticker TTD, is revolutionizing digital advertising. Their platform lets ad buyers manage campaigns across the open internet, streaming, news, apps, and more. Two trends power their growth: the shift from traditional to digital ads and the move to a privacy-first internet. The Trade Desk's Unified ID 2.0 is a strategic advantage as third-party cookies disappear. Their independence from content platforms is a huge selling point for advertisers. They're also leading in connected TV, the fastest-growing ad segment. As more ad dollars flow to programmatic channels, the Trade Desk is poised to benefit. ChatGPT sees superior tech, privacy solutions, and massive growth potential. The AI predicts explosive returns as digital ad disruption accelerates. Next, a familiar name with more room to run. Here's why. Nvidia, ticker NVDA, is still an explosive stock according to ChatGPT. Nvidia's GPUs are the backbone of the AI revolution, powering data centers for every major tech company. Demand for their chips is insatiable, and we're just at the start of a decade-long AI build-out. Their CUDA software platform creates a massive moat. Millions of developers are locked in. Beyond AI, Nvidia dominates gaming, visualization, and is a rising force in automotive tech. The company's growth is set to continue, with earnings and revenue likely to justify even higher valuations. Betting against Nvidia is betting against the entire AI trend. ChatGPT says the scale of the AI revolution is still not fully priced in. Nvidia remains a top pick for explosive upside. Let's look at the next e-commerce powerhouse. Shopify, ticker SHOP, is the backbone of modern e-commerce for millions of businesses. Shopify empowers entrepreneurs with an all-in-one platform, website, payments, shipping, and more. Their growth is tied to the success of their merchants, creating a resilient, well-aligned business model. Shopify's expanding ecosystem, fulfillment, payments, and capital, creates high switching costs and sticky customers. AI tools now help merchants with marketing, product descriptions, and insights, democratizing advanced tech. As e-commerce normalizes post-pandemic, the long-term trend remains strong. Shopify is becoming the central operating system for retail. ChatGPT sees early chapters in a long growth story. Next, let's look at a data-driven innovator. Snowflake, ticker SNOW, is redefining how companies use data. Their data cloud lets businesses store, process, and share massive data sets across any cloud provider. Snowflake breaks down data silos, enabling unified analytics and AI applications. Their consumption-based model means revenue grows as customers use more data. The Snowflake marketplace lets companies securely share and monetize data, creating powerful network effects. As AI and data explode, Snowflake is at the heart of three trends: cloud migration, data growth, and AI adoption. ChatGPT sees a brilliant business model and a platform poised for incredible growth. Despite volatility, the long-term picture is bright. Let's head to Latin America for our next pick. MercadoLibre, ticker MELI, dominates e-commerce and fintech in Latin America. Think of it as Amazon plus PayPal for an entire continent. With a young, growing population and rising internet access, MercadoLibre has a massive runway. Their e-commerce marketplace and logistics network are unmatched in the region. Mercado Pago, their fintech arm, is bringing digital payments and financial services to millions. The synergy between marketplace and payments creates a powerful growth flywheel. As the middle class expands, more spending flows through their ecosystem. MercadoLibre is a fundamental piece of Latin America's digital infrastructure. ChatGPT sees it as a potential global tech giant. Next, let's look at a key player in the AI hardware boom. Supermicrocomputer, ticker SMCI, is a quiet powerhouse in the AI revolution. They design and build custom servers for AI data centers, working closely with chip giants like Nvidia. Their speed and customization give them a crucial edge, first to market with the latest tech. Innovative liquid cooling solutions allow for denser, more powerful data centers. As AI workloads explode, demand for Supermicro's specialized hardware soars. ChatGPT sees them as a direct beneficiary of the AI gold rush. It's a classic picks and shovels play with explosive potential. Lastly, let's talk about the future of workplace automation. UiPath, ticker PATH, leads in robotic process automation. Software bots that automate repetitive office tasks. Their platform lets companies build, deploy, and manage bots that boost productivity and cut costs. UiPath's end-to-end solution covers everything from process discovery to bot orchestration. With AI integration, their bots now handle complex cognitive tasks, expanding their market dramatically. Every industry is seeking efficiency, and UiPath provides the tools to automate at scale. ChatGPT sees a massive, untapped market for automation. If software robots become as common as spreadsheets, UiPath could see explosive growth. The AI is betting on UiPath as the leader in this shift. That wraps up our top 10 picks. Let's close with your next move. There you have it, 10 explosive stocks ChatGPT believes could skyrocket. Use these picks as a starting point for your own research. Which stock surprised you most? Drop a comment below and join the conversation. If you found value here, check out our other videos for more investing ideas. Thanks for watching and spending your time with us. Building wealth is a marathon. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.